Carleton University Studios presents Fall Orientation, a jam-packed week of fun virtual experiences. There are 3 kinds, so make sure you register for whichever one suits you the best. With guest speakers.
It's called Color Your World. And basically what I do is I talk about how color affects you, how it makes you feel, what your favorite color reveals about your personality.
What's good, Carleton University first-year students? My name is Jamal Jackson Rogers, also known as Just Jamal the Poet. It is my pleasure and honor to host an amazing poetry show that's going to be happening during the fall orientation programming of events,
as well as a ton of Carleton merch. Here's a sneak peek of all the Carleton gear you're going to receive in your starter kit. By joining Fall O, you'll get the chance to participate in tons of virtual games and have fun with new students, just like you.
Fall O was my introduction to not just Carleton, but Ottawa as well. I could meet new people, experience new things, all in one place. So come join the best 2% of the year, and we'll see you there.
Register now at carleton.ca/fall orientation. You won't want to miss it, folks!